Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add extra baggage in AirAsia after you have already made your booking. First, open the AirAsia Move app on your phone or go to the AirAsia website using your browser. After logging in, look for the section called My Bookings or Purchases. Tap or click on it to see all your upcoming flights. Find the booking where you want to add extra baggage and select it. Now you will see your flight details. Look for an option that says Modify Booking or Add-ons. Click on this option to continue. This section allows you to make changes to your booking, including adding baggage. Next, find and select the baggage option. You will be shown different baggage weight choices. Choose the one that fits your needs. It is usually cheaper to add baggage online than at the airport, so it is a good idea to do it in advance. After selecting your preferred baggage weight, continue to the payment step. You will need to pay the difference using a credit card or debit card. Enter your payment details carefully and confirm the payment. Once the payment is successful, your extra baggage will be added to your booking. Thanks for watching.